So, what do you think the number one biggest selling product is online? And this should be very intuitive for you because it's the same thing that Google sells, that Instagram sells, that YouTube sells, and what Facebook sells. And that's advertising. Advertising is huge. What it really amounts to is finding a person who's interested in a target and sending them from your website to a website where there's an opportunity for that person to become engaged with that website, discover that website, become a follower of that website, or buy something from that website. Ultimately, there's economic gain in the relationship. Now, YouTube is evidently, they were created in 2005. They were purchased by Google for, I believe, 100 times what the initial investment was within 2 years of when it was invented. And YouTube, quite frankly, is a advertising platform, as is Google. Obviously, in 2002, when I was running my guitar business, we were using Overture to run pay-per-click ads. Well, it all switched over to Google because they did a better, I'll be honest, they do a better job at advertising than anybody. And now let's think about YouTube. Well, how do I do this? That's where people go to YouTube and check out videos all day long, every day. How do I solve this problem? So YouTube figured out how to monetize that traffic with their video advertising. And they make a ton of money doing it. And then, of course, Instagram was bought by Google as well. And Instagram is an advertising platform as well. You find their ads everywhere as you go through the site. So advertising is by far the biggest business to be in. Not even close. The second place is like 1 billion miles away from advertising. So why am I telling you this? How would you like to hear that if you're selling into the business opera to make money online or the health and fitness niche, you could be in the same exact business as Google and YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all these sources. And you don't have to invest a penny into programming, nothing like that. This is what we call arbitrage. It's where you're buying the traffic or the advertising from one source and selling it to another source. You just need to know where to buy it right. And we have a completely free training course. And I believe the content box up there, if you click the little arrow or drop down, you'll see a link to it. You'll see free training on how to sell advertising or traffic, buying from a source, selling from a source. We show you where to get the traffic and where to sell the traffic. This is the biggest industry, by far, online. And you can be out there competing in it and making money. Maybe you can make enough to make your car payment. I've got over 600 people doing this right now. And I get emailed all the time, hey, I just bought myself a new car because of doing this advertising arbitrage, or it's email traffic is primarily what it is. Thank you. Or people that bought a house, or they're making an extra $500 a month for retirement so they can take their wife on a cruise every once a year. It all depends what your goals are, but the money is there and you don't have to invest $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $5,000, $10,000 to get into this business. It's very simple. All the training is free. It's in the link above. If you don't check it out, you're missing an opportunity to add a very effective stream of income to your life.